Hey, Quinn. What did you get? What is that? You don't want me to do it again? Okay.
You could.
Ew! 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 Yucky!
Again.
Ew!
We're gonna do a big one.
Ew!
That was a big one. Let's do a big one.
A big one. Ew!
This is a big one.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Ew! Do you like that?
Do it again, Mom. Me.
With you. Do it again.
Yay.
Ew.
Do it again with me.
You know what? Hey, Quinn.
Huh.
Is that for you for your birthday?
Is it gonna go on my birthday?
That is for you for your birthday. Hey, Quinn. When is your birthday?
That's for Mommy.
Quinn, when is your birthday?
December 30th.
December 30th. And is that today?
Yeah.
How old are you?
3.
You're 3. Will you say thank you to Uncle Kim and Aunt Jane?
Thank you, Uncle Jane.
Thank you, Uncle Jane, again? All right. Say